Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how you can convert a paragraph of data into a table. So the example I want to use is a set of data that has been created with tabs. So if I go first of all to the paragraph group, and then this little down arrow in the corner will get me into format paragraphs, this area, because in there is where tabs lives. Click on tabs, and then I want to set a tab stop at 5 and 9 centimeters, set OK. Then I'm going to give my table a title. So I'll just go for name, department and telephone number. So every time you press tab it jumps to that area, and I'll just press enter a little bit and then put leader dots on. Maybe if I go back into tabs, so for the 5 centimeters stop, I want that option 2 set. Then you have to do the same for the second one, 9 centimeter 2 set. OK. Then you type out your little tabbed list. So let's say sales 111, and John, he can be in sales as well. Tab. So every time you tab, you're going to get the leader dots. And then Anne, one last person, she can be in retail. Tab 333. So that's your table that you've got. Now let's say you want to convert that into an actual table as opposed to something that's been tabbed along like so. What you need to do is highlight this, the whole lot, go to the Insert tab and go to the Table option. In there you've got Convert Text to Table. If I click on that, this little box comes up. So it's asking you at the top how many columns have you got. So I have got 3 columns, 3. Then do you want it set to fixed, or do you want it to be on auto fit contents, auto fit window, or do you want it to do it like this? So it's on auto, but I'm going to change that to 3 centimeters. And then it's not separated by paragraphs. It's not laid out in paragraphs. It's laid out with tabs. So I'm ticking that option. You've got, these are the delimiters if you want to use these, if that's how your data is. But this is a set of data that's been using tabs, tab markers there on the ruler. So that's all I want to do. Let's see what happens. Click OK to that, and it immediately creates your table in the 3 columns that you stipulated at 3 centimeters apart. So that's how you can convert a list that's been typed out in any format that has got some sort of delimiter, so you can tell the computer how that would work. Now, if you've got a sentence like this one that's separated with commas, you can utilize the same feature, and comma would be the trigger for the column. So if I highlight this, go and do exactly the same. So insert table, convert to text. It's coming up with 9. But if I go down to the bottom and select comma, that will be the delimiter separated by commas. I'll just leave that on auto for now. So 5, click OK to that. Then it sets that up like that. So you've got the first name, surname in one, the address in another, etc., etc. So that's how you can do it for paragraphs. So depending what the delimiter is, whether it's a comma or a space, depends how the table will react to it. But it's a quite simple process how to convert paragraphs of text or tabulated tables into a table that you can then format using any of these preset formats like so. If you want to convert it back the other way, for example, so if I wanted to convert this table back to text, what I have to do now is go to the table tabs at the top there, layout, and then you've got an option at the end there, convert to text, which lets you do the reverse basically. So you've got a paragraph marks, tabs, commas, other. So tabs is what it was, tabs is what I'll select, click OK, and then that comes back with tab markers at the top there. Didn't put the leader dots on that I had on there before, but I can just add those back into paragraph area if I want to. So that's just a very quick video how to convert paragraphs into a table and now to put it back if you so wish. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.